Good evening. Yeah, this is Aonjo Eugène speaking from Côte d'Ivoire. I would like to report about COVID-19 cases overview as of Tuesday, 12/2020. As you can see on the screen, the confirmed cases are 1,857, but yesterday we registered as 127 new cases. But this is something that's very new because until the beginning of the pandemic in Ivory Coast, we never reported such cases. This is the highest since the pandemic started. But you can notice that 820 people have recovered. Only 21 people there are dead. And you can see that since mid of April, the government has opened testing spots all over Abidjan city. More than 30,000 people have been tested so far. On May 8th, the president declared the end of the lockdown in the countryside because until now, not many cases were found in the countryside. Only few cases were found, and those were found in the month of March and April were brought in Abidjan to be confined, to be in quarantine. In Abidjan, the lockdown is extended until May 15. But that lockdown is not really strong. We can see people walking here and there. People are going to job. But the emergency state starts from 11 p.m. until 4 a.m. No gathering for more than 50 people. When we notice transportation and market are open, but people have to keep the distancing measures. And the government has decided masks are compulsory in public transport and offices. Unfortunately, you can see that no masks have been distributed until now. People are living quite normally, even if we can notice less movement than before. On church activities, we can see that we have started a model of Undok Family Church every Sunday. It means that each family may Sunday service in his home, and each family report about his family Sunday service and send collection through mobile money. Church leaders organize food collection too to share to members in need because due to the pandemic, many members could not go to fundraising, so we collect money and food and we distribute to families in need. Also, Korea have organized a HTM workshop, and it's opened the floor for HTM families to attend the workshop. Almost 20 members of Ivory Coast attended with African members. No cases of COVID-19 until now have been noticed amongst our members. So basically, this is all what I wanted to report. Thank you so much.